G'day guys, what is going on? Welcome to a new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Right now I'm on my way to a shop to get some tires put onto my new wheels. It's about time the R33 got some new pair of wheels at the front because those ugly D-holes need to go. I've just been focusing on mods. I didn't care about wheels at the time, but these are going to match my rear wheels that I have on my R33 at the moment, so my car's going to look a lot nicer. I got to respray the brake calipers as well, so it's going to look nice. I can't wait to put new treads, so I'll show you guys once I get to the shop, put some new tires on the rims, chuck it on the car. It's going to look sick, and I'll show you guys more about the wheels that I got as well and why I got these wheels and what wheels I'm going to get in the future, because right now with this corona shit going on, I don't want to spend big bucks on work wheels, you know what I mean? Like the wheels that I want from work, they're about anywhere from like $3,500 to like $4,000, which is a lot of money for something that's not working at the moment due to this virus. So I can't wait to go back to work and get some proper wheels. I'm on my way to the shop, put you guys down, put the tread on, and I'll show you guys more of my wheels. Alright, I just made it back home from Riley Garage. They hooked me up with these Good Ride Sports RS tires. They do an amazing job. Check out their Facebook. They're called Riley Garage. They do pretty much tires, wheel balancing, suspension work, so make sure to check them out if you guys want to get wheel alignment done, some new tread for discount prices. They can hook you up. I got a mad deal on these tires, cheaper than anywhere I could find online. So these are Sports RS by Good Ride, and at the front I run 225 45s at the front, and at the back I run 235s 45s. Man, it is so cold right now, so I'm gonna get the jack up the car and put these new tires on. Oh, I should talk about the rims. So these are the new wheels that I got. For now, these are genuine rotors. Yeah, genuine. I will get work wheels once I get back to work, but for now these should match the rears of my wheels there. They look so sick though, to be honest. Even though they're cheap, they look pretty decent, and I'm happy with this tire. They look sick. They're gonna make my car look so much better now. The D-hole wheels are going to be going on my S14 because for some reason they look so much better on the S14 than they do on the R33, and I'm glad I bought these because I know my car's going to look mad. So time to get out the jack the car up and put these bad boys on. Man, they look so good. And in this video I was meant to repaint the calipers for this video, but I'm gonna have to save it for another time because the weather's really bad and I'm worried it's gonna rain and ruin the caliper paint. So I'll paint my calipers next time. I just really hate the way the old owner painted these red. It's so ugly, but the wheel looks so sick. Look how tough that looks, man. That's sick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the car on the ground and see what it looks like. Still gotta do the other side. So damn, that looks sick. So much better now. Check out that. Definitely need to repaint that caliper. Gross. And I need to lower my car because now I can fit a shoe in there. We got some poke, I reckon. Oh hell yeah, man. Tire looks sick too. Now that I've got matching wheels, the car looks so much better. But I have to bring the car lower, so we're gonna lower the car probably about maybe there. Definitely want to sit the car lower. Then we're gonna go get a wheel alignment done, so that way when we're in the mountains the car feels good around corners. But I'm really happy with this wheel, man. This looks sick. I'm so glad I did this, man. Oh hell yeah. As I said, the calipers look really gross. I can't wait to repaint these. I definitely want to go lower in the coilovers. And for now with these rotors, these are the stock rotors. These are coming out eventually soon, and we're gonna get some new slotted rotors put in because these look trash. These are shit for braking. We're gonna get new brake pads as well. Good time to chuck on this tire. Can't wait to try out these tires in the mountains, see how much we grip up at the front, because the tires that I had before were very trashed. They were understeering pretty bad. But for some reason when I had them on the S14, the D-hole wheels at the track, they felt really good. So I'm happy to put them on the S14 and leave them on the S14 for now, and get some new wheels down the line for the S14 as well. I'm just collecting a bunch of skidders because the S14 is a track car, so I don't really care about the rear wheels. All I care about is just burning rubber. Hopefully Thursday we get a new video put out for the S14. I got a new mod for the S14. It looks so sick. It's gonna handle so much better too, so I can't wait to show you guys on Thursday what I've done to the S14. It has been a pain in the ass. As you can tell by the weather, it's constant rain. It's very, very annoying. Oh man, it looks so much better. I've said that so many times, and I'm really happy with these wheels. They turned out sick. But I just found out that my right side of the coilovers sit lower than my left side, so I'm going to have to adjust that soon. Because you can tell by this, look at that, this is the right side of the wheel. Let's go to the left side. Now look at the difference. So I'm going to drop that down lower. And because I've gone wider tires than I originally had, I'm going to have to roll these guards as well. Because when I go lower, this is definitely going to be scrubbing. So that way when I'm going around the hills, hitting bumps, the wheel won't hit up against the guard, scrubbing up against the tire. But for what it is, it looks so good. Just need to respray that caliper, change the brake rotors, and we're golden. And then at the back we're going to get camber arms, get a decent wheel alignment, and the car should feel brand new again. A little bit of poke, not too bad. Oh hell yeah. I gotta clean the car, man. It's been bloody raining. Oh, so good. Nice. Hell yeah, I'm happy as now. I'm really happy with this wheel. Let me know in the comments what you guys reckon how this car looks now. Because to be honest, so much better. Ah, I'm happy. So to the ones that don't know, I bought these wheels I think 2 or 3 years ago, and when I bought them they were painted with plastic dip, I think they're called. I've never used that stuff before. These wheels are originally white, so what I'm going to do is I have to peel, as you can see here, it's originally white. I'm going to have to peel all this crap off, and then I'm going to respray it to the same color as the ones at the front, and also respray the calipers at the back. And can you guys believe that this is stock lock? I definitely need to get more angle in this. This is just rubbish. You can't be drifting with this. This is ridiculous, man. So up next with R33, more angle as well. All right, now that we got the wheels tightened up, I'm gonna take this car for a little test drive, see how they feel around corners. I'm not gonna go to the mountains just yet. I will maybe sometime later in the week to test them out around big corners, but I just wanna see how they feel driving around town, because I'm really happy with them, guys. Like, I know I've said it a million times, but it's about time I've like updated the wheels. So let's go for a test drive. I'm not gonna lie, dudes, the new tires feel bloody amazing. Like, just zigzagging, turning, like you can just tell there's already a difference. But I'm not gonna lie, we are scrubbing up against that guard. So when I showed you guys that one side of the coilover was lower, we are hitting that guard, so I definitely have to roll that guard soon. Because or else when I go to my favorite spots, there are a lot of dips on the road, so I do not want to be shredding my tire on that guard. So definitely need to roll that guard. But doing this, fuck, car feels amazing, man. You can just tell it's a good tire just by doing that. Fuck your stop sign. Yeah, dude, it's so good. Downshift into third. We'll see how it feels around here. Oh, dude, she's gripping. But this kind of does like a slight bend, so let's see how it feels. Fuck. It felt amazing, but we were fucking hitting the guard. God damn it. Shit, definitely need to roll that guard. But just doing that, I can already tell that these tires are a lot better than my old ones. So I can't wait to go to the mountains and just finally have some fun without having to worry about understeering. Ah. Damn you, bumpy roads. It's time to definitely go home. I don't want to deal with wearing out these tires just from the guard. And with these wheels, I run 17/9 at the front and 17/9.5 at the back. Oh, please don't scrub, please don't scrub. I'll take it easy, I'll take it easy. Nice. Feels a lot smoother, the car now, so I can't wait to get camber arms, get a proper wheel alignment, more angle for drifting. It's gonna be sick. All right guys, I just made it back home for my test drive. I'm so happy I bought these rotor wheels and the Good Ride tires. They're so much better than my old setup. These grip up around the corner so much better. Even though they were short corners, you could already tell how much grip there is. And when I was driving on the straight roads, I thought the tires were going to be loud, but they're actually really quiet and comfortable, so I'm really happy with these. Also, I gotta go out to the mountains and really try out these tires. But before I do that, I definitely need to roll my guards, because as you guys could hear on those little dips, it was scrubbing up against the guard. So you can imagine if you're doing 80 to 100 kilometers an hour around these mountains, and with those big dips in the ground, we're definitely going to be scrubbing big. So I need to hit up a mate, get a roll guard, and we'll roll my guards, lower the car more, get the wheel alignment done. And once we get all that stuff sorted, the car should feel phenomenal. I definitely need new tires at the back, camber arm. The reason why is because I want to take this car to a quarter mile. I want to see how fast this car goes down a quarter mile. If we're in the high 10s, I'll be so happy. Even like lower 11s, I'll be happy, but I'd rather be in the 10s so I can say I've got a 10-second car. And for the R33, the next mod that I'm going to do to it is angle. We definitely need more angle, because the stock angle is just trash. We can't have that for drifting, especially if we like get too much angle. The stock angle isn't going to bring my car back, so we definitely need more angle. And before we do the walk around in my car, I just want to quickly say we gained, I think, anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 subscribers in 1 month. So welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you guys enjoy all the videos. All right, I'm going to quickly show you guys the walk around on my new wheels on the Skyline. Alright dudes, I hope you enjoyed the walk around with the new front wheels on the R33. Let's be honest, they look so much better than the D-hole wheels. At the time when I was modifying my RB25, I didn't pay attention to what wheels I wanted. I just wanted to focus on rebuilding my RB25. And once I got all that done, it's time to work on everything else. So up next for the R33, now that we get the wheels out of the way, got to repaint the calipers because they're very exposed now. So we're going to have a video of that. Got to lower my front coilovers in the back a bit, get some camber arms, cut and shut knuckles. Also got new brake rotors coming and brake pads, because we definitely need better brakes, because the stock brakes are definitely not good enough for all this new power. So we definitely need to upgrade our rotors and brake pads, and I can't wait for them to arrive so we can do an install video. And Thursday there should be a new upload of the S14. I've done this new mod to it. I've chucked my D-hole wheels onto the S14 because they look so much better on the S14 than they did on the 33. Plus it's a very sick mod. It's been painful to do because, as you guys know, it's been raining a lot. But I'm fixing my garage at the moment. We're going to rip out all the glass shit. We're going to clean it all out. And finally, I'll have some workspace to work in my garage. Get some better lighting in there, so that way it's better contrast for the GoPro. And I just can't wait to work on my car without having to be in the rain for once. Don't forget, go to Big Cartel Clutch Kick Junkies. Write it in Google, Big Cartel Clutch Kick Junkies. Get yourself a CKJ sticker, because once that's all gone, I'm not going to be using Big Cartel anymore. I'll be making my own website. There'll be new stickers. Every new stickers, I'll be doing different editions. So I'll never remake the same sticker. I'll always make new editions. So if you guys get these stickers, you'll be the first ones to own the first edition CKJ stickers. All right, dudes, this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Catch you guys later.